Hello everyone, I'm Ram Nivas from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today we will see about algorithmic approach. First thing is logic. The logic is the systematic study of reasoning and principles of valid inferences. It provides framework for distinguishing between valid and invalid arguments. It plays a critical role in everyday reasoning, mathematics, philosophy, and computer science. Next is proposition. It is a declarative sentence that is either true or false, but not both. A declarative sentence is a type of sentence that make a statement or express an idea or providing information. It ends with period and it conveys a fact, opinion, or an explanation. The key feature of a declarative sentence is that it states something that can be either true or false, that is on state or off state. Here are the example. The earth revolves around the sun. The statement is true. It is an universal truth statement, so it is true. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is a true statement, but 2 plus 2 is equal to 5 is a false statement. There are two different types of proposition. One is simple proposition and the next thing is compound proposition. Simple statements or simple propositions are the statement that cannot be broken down into simpler statements. It is a single statement. The sky is blue. The parrot is green. This is a simple proposition. Similarly, compound proposition, it has two simple statement or single statements connected by and or if then not if and only if. So this is the example. It is raining and it is shining. To write a well formed proposition, the following are the things to be noted. Your proposition should be clear and concise, and you should avoid vagueness while writing the proposition. So instead of saying he is a good person, you can also say it like he is honest and helpful. The both things are correct. Okay, so but the other thing to be noted is it should be concise. It should not have any other possibilities or meaning to express. The fact of matter is that he is not going to show up. So there is a chance that he may show up. So you need to say it exactly like he won't come. So avoid ambiguity. So he is a good student. Um a good student is also referring to whether he is good in behavior or good in grade or he is good in some extracurricular or co-curricular activities, what we are correctly saying. So to refer a student, you need to say he is a good student in terms of behavior, then it is a correct statement. Okay, so he is tall is just referring to a tall individual. Any individual who is above 5.5 feet is considered to be tall. Okay, so you need to exactly say he is 6 feet tall. And the next thing is you need to avoid double negatives. So instead of he is not unhappy, you should say it like he is happy. So why do you need to say that he is not unhappy? Instead you can say it like he is happy. So writing a well framed proposition. Use logical connectives, the just like we have seen in the previous slides, and or not if then one only if. Ensure consistency. Make sure your proposition are logically consistent and do not contradict each other. Avoid circular reasoning. Do not assume the truth of what you are trying to prove. So example, original proposition is he is good student. So improved proposition is he is consistently earns a good grade, and he is consistently present in class and his teachers praise him for work ethics. That is a example of improved proposition. So it is clearly referring that he is good student, but in what prospect he is a good student. And thank you all.